Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Thanks for joining us today, and we would like you to help us and subscribe, and also share our content. We're so glad that you came back to watch our video. So today we're going to create a video. There's one of our followers said, his name is Welcome. He said how to create HTML based email autoresponders in Client Zone. I need that tutorial. This is what he said. He commented on one of our videos that we say how to create emails in AfriHost's Client Zone. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create what he said, but he specifically said he wants HTML based email responders in Client Zone. That's simply what we're gonna do. Please don't forget to subscribe. You only have to be on this and click on the submit button, and also click the then this something like a bell, which is going to notify you whenever I make a video. Thanks for watching. Let's go into it. So what we're gonna do first, we're going to go to, let's try and find something. We're gonna go to Client Zone. That's our first thing. Let me find out Client Zone. Okay, let me see if we can go to Client Zone first. I'm getting something here. Let me see here. No, yes. You go to Client Zone, which is clientzone.afrihost.com. When you're there, you log in. You can either put in your username or password, or you can log in by email. Click here, open, log in with Gmail. Okay. After, when you logged in, you then click on hosting. That's where you're gonna click. Yes, after hosting, there's something I didn't show you. You click on the website you want to use. Then after there, you're gonna do what? You're gonna click on website manager. So click on what? On hosting, then it's gonna give you the list of websites. You go and click on the website you want to go in, which is where we are. Then now you're gonna click on website manager. After click on the website manager, you're gonna come here. You can see this. This is something we're gonna do what? We're gonna click on, which says login to website manager. You have to click there. After that step, you're gonna scroll down, and find where they say, let me see something here. It's gonna be emails, something like that. You click on this email accounts. Yes, when you click on email accounts, then when you're on email accounts, you select which account you want to use. I want to use the quote. This quote, I'm gonna copy it. After copying it, I'm gonna send the email to it. But anyway, what you do, you say check emails. You click on check emails. Okay. When you're on check emails, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to click on autoresponders. You see here, that's what you're gonna do. You click on autoresponders. Yeah, and when you're there, when in autoresponders, you scroll down. Scroll up. It should show us something here. Please tell me something. I don't want to mess up. I did. Let's go back and see something we have to see. After clicking on autoresponders, you're gonna see that you'll see that when you see that, you say click on add autoresponders. After clicking that, then you can scroll down and give a subject. Maybe you say from who, from your company or from your name. Okay, we're gonna say from Azania online. Then we say subject, we are testing. Then we say, you remember he said he wanted HTML. You can click this, then you can put in your HTML here. Maybe I'm gonna put an H1, and I guess now you understand if you know HTML. Then you say close, then you say H, whatever you want to put in here, any HTML tags, as long as you click that, then say hi, this is me. Then you come here and maybe you put a P and say style equals to color red. Then we say close here and say P and say thanks. And it's gonna ask you here how many hours you want to respond to the next email. They say the numbers of hours to wait between responding to the same email address. So we're gonna say 0. I'm gonna put on a 0. So after that, you're gonna immediate whatever, leave everything like the way it is, then you click create. Okay, we're gonna click create. After hitting the create button, you're gonna see this. So since that is like that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to create something like you see, this is the email we want to send to. We wanna send to this email an email from a different email. Then we see if it does auto respond to us. So I'm gonna do that. I'm in my Gmail, then I'm gonna put in that email we want to use. Then we say hi, please give us a quote, So we're gonna wait and see if it's gonna give us the response. So we're gonna send. We've sent that, so we're gonna keep on waiting and see if we're gonna get some auto respond from the from that email. I think it takes some time, but not that much longer, but I will see if it's gonna help us and do what we were looking for. Remember, putting some HTML tags on that. We wanna see if it does exactly what Mr. Welcome was asking. Yeah, it worked. You can see Azania tutorial online. Remember what we say, we are testing. That's the response, our response. You can see, remember we put the P tag, paragraph tag to be styled in color red, and also we put a H1. This is me, you understand? So it worked. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. We're happy that we managed to do what Mr. Welcome asked for us to do. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share our content. Thanks for watching. You can ask it for a tutorial also. We'll do it quickly.